This is Shubham Kumar and I am going to explain you the topic nutrition in amoeba. So let's start. Before beginning with our main topic nutrition in amoeba, we should have some basic introduction about amoeba. What is amoeba and what are its features? So let's understand this. Amoeba is a unicellular eukaryotic organism which belongs to the category of protozoa. It has no definite shape and uses its pseudopodia for locomotion. It has holozoic mode of nutrition. Let's understand this more briefly. Amoeba is a unicellular eukaryotic organism. What do you mean by unicellular? Unicellular means an organism developed of only single type of cell. And next, eukaryotic. Eukaryotic is a type of cell which has proper nucleus boundaries and all the nucleus components present in it. The next term is pseudopodia. Pseudopodia are the false feet developed by amoeba for its locomotion or for the trapping of its food. Now, we have completed this. Let's come to the main topic, that is nutrition. It mainly consists of 5 steps. Number 1, ingestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3, absorption. Number 4, assimilation. And number 5, egestion. Let's understand these with the help of diagrams. So here, this is amoeba and this is our food particle. Now, amoeba is in the need of energy. So how it will get? It will need energy. It will get its energy by the trapping of food. Now, to trap its food, it will carry out a special process called ingestion. Now, how it is done? The food particle comes near the amoeba. It introduces a pseudopodia for the trapping of the food particle. As the food particle is surrounded, it is pushed inside the cytoplasm and it forms a food vacuole inside the cell. Now the ingestion is completed. Now the second process is digestion. Digestion involves breakdown of complex substances into simpler substances. But how it is done? It is done with the help of enzymes. Now the enzymes will come from the lysosome organelle, which is also called the suicide bag of the cell. Now here all the enzymes will accumulate here and will start the process of breakdown of food. Now the food is broken down into simpler substances. Digestion is completed. Our next step is absorption. What do you mean by absorption? Absorption is the breakdown of nutrients and distributing it to the cell organelles. But how it is done? It is done by simple diffusion. The nutrients are moved to separate cell organelles for their utilization by the process of diffusion. Now, absorption is also completed. Our next term is assimilation. The process of utilization of that energy for the development of amoeba's structure and for carrying out respiration is called assimilation. It is also completed. Let's come to the final step, that is egestion. As we know that it is all a biological process and biological processes are not 100% accurate. So some improper functioning or some waste are produced at every stage. So it is also necessary to remove these waste, because if they will exist in the amoeba structure, it will produce toxins and amoeba will ultimately die. So how to remove these waste? It comes under the process of egestion. The process of removing waste. All the waste particles accumulate at one side of the cell membrane, from where the cell membrane gets ruptured and the waste is thrown out of the amoeba's body. Now, our whole topic is completed. I hope that you have understand this topic. Thank you.